Minute. So, good evening. How are you?
Yeah, very good evening, ma'am. And I'm fine. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm fantastic. I'm doing great in my life, and thank you so much for asking. So, well, as we are meeting for the first time, so I'm so excited to know something about yourself. So, would you like to introduce yourself in a brief, please?
Yeah, why not? So, as you know, my name is Govind, and I'm talking from Damo, Madhya Pradesh. And if you talk about my education, so I have done 12th, and now this I'm pursuing Bachelor of Arts in English. And I'm studying. If you talk about my hobby is reading book. That's all about me.
Wonderful, amazing introduction. So, should I introduce myself too?
Yes.
Okay, so well, this is me, Rupam, and I'm connecting to you from Bihar. And right now, I'm a student of the class 8. And in my future, I want to be a doctor in my life. Yeah, this is something about myself. Hope it was enough.
Yeah, it is enough and complete introduction you gave me. This is great. And your goal is amazing. Definitely, you will achieve your goal. I will
Okay,
pray.
thank you a lot. Okay, so like I have chosen one topic. Like, hello, hello. Can you listen me?
You know. So,
I want to discuss on one crucial topic, and that is time. You know that time plays most significant role, and if someone use their time in a best way, so they can achieve anything in this world. Time is free, but you cannot, it is priceless. You can use it, but you can't kept it. So that is why we should try to use our time in a good way, so that we can become best version of ourselves, and so that we can make our future remarkable and commendable. So what is your opinion on time? Nowadays I can see the people condition. People are so concerned related to time. They are facing so many catch 22 phenomena associated with time. So what is your opinion, and how they should use their time so that they can overcome out from this problem?
yeah, definitely. So, if I talk about time, so can I tell you a small story? I will not take too much time because it is very important. If you told me about time, so in the point of the value of time, it is very important. So, let me share with you. I will not take too much time if you think like that. So, can I share it here?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. So, there lived a small boy who was very indolent, and he had a habit of refused refused the work's task. He never did any work in his life, and just he was wasting his time. And his teachers, his parents advised him, "Do don't waste your time. Time is very precious to you." But he didn't understand. Just he wasting. So he become the victim of procrastination. Yeah. So one day a wise monk came in his town, and he was renowned very enlightenment, or you can say famous. So he came in his town, and everyone wanted to meet him. So the boy also wanted to meet him, and the boy said to the monk, "Oh, my dear monk, I wanted to surpass my friends in my life, but I was not happy with my life." So the wise monk said, "My dear son, you don't know the value of time. That's why you are not happy with your life. You are wasting your time." So the wise monk said, "Oh, my let me share one story. So then monk told the story that there was a king who was very generous and kind. He helped lots of people in his kingdom. So one day he met his old classmate. So classmate was very who was the classmate was the old classmate was very poor, and he wanted to do something in his life, but he was also lethargic kind of personality had. So he met the king and said, "Oh my dear king, I wanted to do in my life, but no one gave me job in my life, and my enemies, my friends said, you do not do any, you can't achieve anything you like." So this kind of so king said, "Oh my dear," king felt very sorry. He said, and he said, "Let us make a deal." And king said, "If you can take as much as gold, coins, money from my treasury, what you have to come before sunset." So the old classmate went to the home, rushed to the home, and he told about everything about conversation that happened with the king and his about to his wife. His wife said to him, "My dear husband, time is very precious to you. You should take now, go the go to the kingdom and take coins." But the lazy man, the old classmate, said, I wanted to eat something and I was starving." So his wife prepared meal and served him, but then after eating, he felt asleep. So he was asleep, and he take then in afternoon he woke up suddenly, and he found it was late. So he trotted up to the blaze and he trotted up the kingdom, and then so it was summer season, so the sun was very hot, the weather was very hot. So in the way he felt very hot, so he thought, "I should take a nap, or I should take rest under the tree." So just he took rest under the tree. So in while taking rest, he drifted off. So he he slept, and then when he woke up suddenly, he found I was too late to go kingdom. So he was running to the kingdom, and when he as soon as he reached the kingdom, the sun sun set. So it was very like a sun already had set off. So he did not get coins, nothing. So he regretted all about it. So the the wise monk said to the boy, "If the man, old classmate, mm, do classmate value of time, so definitely he will become rich. But he did
Yeah,
not
he would
value of."
have become lavish. A
Yeah.
wonderful.
So
It is a
yeah,
really remarkable story, and after listening it, I have become delight, and like I have learned so many things through this story. We should never, let our emotion control ourselves. If your emotion control yourself, so you can't do anything, you cannot achieve anything. And procrastination is the main reason for
yeah,
unsuccessful. So if you want to become successful, if you want to become a good person, and if you want to get comfortable life, so eliminate this laziness from your side. You will definitely achieve whatever you want. So yeah, I have learned so many things through this story.
yeah. We can learn the value of time from students like who had wasted 1 year, because he knows very well the value of time. We can learn the value of time from the student, from the traveler who wasted, who like who leave the train before if he was 2 minutes late. So we can understand the every second. We can value every second. Then we can do. If you There is very famous saying, if you value of time, time will give you value. If you
Yeah.
ruin, time will ruin whole life. So
Yeah, you are
it's
so intelligent, and like you have, like very great knowledge. You are such a glorious man, and like I am so delight, and I am so, like lucky that I'm talking to you, because the knowledge that you have and that you are sharing, it is quite amazing and peculiar. The person who are going to watch this video, they will learn a lot of things through this conversation, and if they follow whatever they have understood through the story that you have given us, they will never face any problem associated with the time.
yeah, definitely, because time is very precious. I know the value of time because I also wasted 1 year. I took 1 year drop in my studies. Then now this year I'm pursuing graduation. So I also know the very well value of time. So
That
I
is why
will
you have
request to
great
you
knowledge
for hearing.
about the time, because it
Yeah,
had ruined your life, right?
yeah, not
Due to
ruin
not
life, but
understanding importance
yeah,
of time, it had ruined your life. Okay, so it was really nice
it-
conversation with you, and right now I have to do some work, so sorry for that. And if I get chance, so I will definitely try to talk with you in future.
definitely. Y- You are great. You are doing great job. Definitely. What is your goal, and you can achieve definitely. But
Thank
one
you.
thing I say, and you are studying in eighth standard, but don't like don't waste your time. And I think you know very well about it, and definitely you will become doctor.
Yeah,
So
thank
I
you.
think I'm talking upcoming future